Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are reviewing another Walmart beauty box. So let's get in and let's get into the box. Alright guys, welcome back. So like I said, we're reviewing another Walmart box. So Walmart beauty box, for those of you who doesn't know, Walmart beauty box is a seasonal box that basically you get for free, but you're paying for shipping and handling. So I don't see that it's a free box, but you pay $5 each season. So you actually get to try different products. The cool thing about the last beauty box that we did get, it was all about your hair, and there was one product in there from Aunt Jackie's, and I'll put it on I'm gonna be reviewing that one soon up here next, well soon. It was called it was a Aunt Jackie's beauty, Aunt Jackie's hair like thirst curl quencher, something like that. That is my new product. I actually got a full-size product after I bought the beauty box, just from trying the deluxe size sample that they gave me. So you can get definitely some good I guess sample or deluxe size products that you can give a try and see if that's actually something that you would want to buy full size. So I love this box. So every season you get a box, and it looks like this. Mine looks like it had some issues in the mail, but I don't care. I usually put these in the recycle bin anyway. So let me see here. And this is what the inside looks like. And they give you like, they'll give you like coupons, and they give you like a description of the products. So let me see. So you guys can see right there. All right, so we'll start with the sample size products here. So I have a BioSkin dry skin gel. Not too sure. I mean, obviously we see what it's for, but let me see here. Okay, so I have it here. So for this one, it says clinically proven to improve your dry skin with a unique formula that sinks right in, helping to relieve uncomfortable dryness for all skin types. So that's really, really good. And the next sample that we have here is from Cantu Avocado Hydrating Leave-In Conditioner. Now, we've been using Cantu leave-in conditioner. Well, my son mainly has been using leave-in conditioner from Cantu. So I'm definitely going to give this to him so he can see if he likes this one here. Now, for this one, it says, oh, forgot to tell you guys, this, if you got the full-size product of this is $5.99. And then for this one, this is Cantu Avocado Leave-In Conditioner Repair Cream. So this is crafted with moisturizing shea butter, formula infused with avocado. Our newest repair cream penetrates deeply to prevent breakage, repair split ends, and increase your hair's manageability. So the full-size product with this one would be $5.97. So if you're actually looking for a leave-in conditioner, I found that Cantu products, they're like the most budget-friendly that you can get, especially if you have like curly or dry hair. Cantu products are really, really good. So my son has been using his hair is way more curly than mine, but for me, I have to use like a little bit. For him, he has to use more than I do. So those are the two samples we have, and then let's start getting into like the deluxe size products. Okay, so this is from Citadel. This is a Citadel Healthy Glow Daily Cream. So the full-size product of this would be $16.97, and it says this lightweight cream provides deep 48-hour hydration that improves the overall quality of sensitive skin over time. So my daughter actually has eczema, so I'll be giving this to her so she can give this a try just to make sure. It doesn't have any color. I'm just gonna see just to make sure, because it says glow, so I just want to make sure. Yeah, and it doesn't usually with products for sensitive skin, there's no scent to it, and that's the case for this. This is actually one of the products that usually your dermatologist recommends if you have sensitive skin. So that's definitely something that she's used in the past. So definitely good so that she can give that a try again. The next product we have here is number 7 Advanced Retinol. This is a night concentrate. Now, if you know anything about number 7 products, they're a little bit more expensive. So this is a Retinol 1.5 Complex Night Concentrate. The full-size product of this would be $34.98. And then it says, experience the power of retinol while minimizing irritation with the skin transforming overnight treatment. So that is what that is there. So obviously for overnight, this is a good product that I've used in the past, not this one in particular, but I'm all about skincare. I rather take care of my skin, especially with healthy food, and with skincare products, then have to cake up all this makeup and make myself look like a totally different person. Because usually what I do is basically I have olive tone skin, like medium olive tone skin. So usually I always have to put foundation underneath my eye because of my allergies. I always rub my eyes. So I kind of like try to dig in and put in as much as I can overnight, just so I can wake up refreshed and not have to put so much makeup in the day. When I'm doing all these Zoom meetings and all these meetings online, you kind of don't want to look like you just woke up. So I have two more things here. So the next thing we have here is My Bite. This says guilt-free chocolate vitamins. Okay, all right. I've never heard of that before, but that's what the full-size product of that looks like here. So let me see. So this is My Bite vitamins. Full-size version of this would be $11.96. It says, satisfy your sweet tooth with a complete multivitamin enrobed in chocolatey goodness with layers of caramel, peanut, and nougat. All right, so that is cool. Let me see what they look like, actually. Okay, so they come in these little bite-sized products, bite-sized little, can't really smell the chocolate, but I'll give those a try and see what they taste like. And then last but not least, we have Cream of Nature. We got this before in the last, I don't know if it was the exact one, but we got this last time around and I gave this one to my son. So this one is Cream of Nature Perfect Edges 24-hour hold. Basically, it's for your little hairs here so it can be held back. The new and improved formula provides longer lasting hold while moisturizing and adding exotic shine without flaking. I don't know if you guys have ever put gel in your hair. Like back in the 80s, I used to put a lot of gel and spray, and I used to have like that wave in the front, but my hair used to always be flaky, so I always have to end up washing my hair. And with curly, dry hair, you don't want to be washing your hair every day because that's going to just take away the moisture from your hair. So this is perfect, so you don't have to worry about having to wash your hair when you don't need to. So that was everything that was in this Walmart box. We're gonna do a recap and see, just to kind of go back and see what all came in this box. So like I said, we have this, and I don't think I mentioned the full size of it. Well, this is $4.56. It says, this is the full size version of it. So this is $4.56. So right there, that one product, that paid for the box already by itself. So we have that, and then we have number 7, our night cream, night concentrate cream. And then we have these chocolate vitamins, which who doesn't love chocolate? So I'm sure everybody appreciates that. And then Citadel, we have that for your dry skin. And then we have leave-in conditioner. And then we also have that Daily Glow from, who was this? From Bio Oil. So we have that. So that was everything that came in the season. It doesn't say what season, but I'm assuming this is winter. I'd have to check my box to see the last video that I did. But yeah, that was everything that came in with this Walmart Beauty box. So let me know in the comment section below what you guys thought of Walmart Beauty box this season. And with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day. We'll see you on the next one. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another one. Have a good day, guys.